Hello friends, I am Dr. Syed Fadiluddin Chishti and I am teaching Physics 2 BSc first year. My today's topic is Bernoulli's principle and its application. Bernoulli's principle states that whenever there is a frictionless liquid, incompressible liquid, and there is streamline flow, then the total energy of the liquid remain constant at any point, that is the pressure energy, sum of the pressure energy, potential energy and kinetic energy is constant. So I will apply this Bernoulli's principle to the hydrostatic pressure, law of hydrostatic pressure. We know that in hydrostatic pressure, as we go inside the liquid, the pressure of the liquid goes on increases. So I will consider here the 2 points, 2 molecules, molecule A and molecule B. Molecule A is situated well at the surface of the liquid, near to the surface of the liquid, and molecule B is situated well inside the liquid. There is atmospheric pressure, and because of this atmospheric pressure there is hydrostatic pressure at point A and at point B. The distance between these 2 points A and B is suppose h, while the distance of point B from the bottom of the container is h1. So I will apply here the Bernoulli's principle that the total energy of the molecule A should be equal to the total energy of the molecule B. That is, for molecule A I will write Pa upon rho plus Gh, that is the pressure energy, potential energy, plus half Va square kinetic energy for the molecule A should be equal to the pressure energy, potential energy and kinetic energy of the molecule B. But both the molecules are at rest. Therefore, their velocities are 0. Va and Vb is 0. Therefore, the kinetic energy will vanish. And I can write here pressure at point A upon the density, that is the pressure energy, plus G. Here height of the molecule A is h plus h1 from the bottom of the container. So I will write here h plus h1 is equal to Pv by rho plus Gh1. Now I will simplify this equation and I will get here Pa by rho plus Gh is equal to Pv by rho. Multiply by rho. So I will get here Pa plus rho Gh is equal to Pv, and it proves the law of hydrostatics that when the molecule B is well inside the liquid, its pressure is more than the pressure at point A. Therefore, it will be Pa plus rho Gh. Thank you.